Now power rule in logarithms. See this power rule, logarithm of x to the power n. So this is the power of the x. N is the power of x to the base a. That it gives power times power into logarithm of x to the base a. That number. Power comes front. See, x power n. N comes front. N into logarithm of x to the base a. Like that we can write. See this? N comes front side. So n becomes a n times of logarithm of x to the power n to the base a. N times of log x to the base a. Like that we have to write. So let what we have to consider? Let a log x to the base a equals to m. Whatever it is. Logarithm of x to the power n. Logarithm of x to the power n. Let it be log x to the base a. Log x to the base a. That it gives. Let it be considered. Always we are taking like this only. Logarithm of x to the base a, that is given m. Now this is logarithmic form. Exponential form. Convert this in exponential form. How is that? A. Base is not changed. Base is same as is. Power and results are interchanged. This is the power, this is the result. Interchange. A to the power m, that it gives x. Okay. Now, a to the power m equal to x. Now it is required x power. X is there, but x power n is required. So, how to write x to the power n? To make that x power n, we have to take, this is n is power. Nth power, taking nth power on both sides. We need x power n. We need x power n. To make that, x is there, taking power n on both sides. Not only one side. We have to take on both sides with the same operation. So, this becomes a power m whole power n. This is a power m is as is. This is x power n. Now, a power mn. Powers should be multiplied. Exponent is raised to some power. This is a exponential. A power m is exponential form. This is raised to some power n. Then just powers is multiplied. Then powers are multiplied. A power m into n. A power m into n, that it gives x to the power n. Now this is the base. Always we are taking that this is the base. Now what happens? These two are interchanged. This is the exponential form. Logarithm to the base a. In this exponential form, base is not changed. These two are interchanged. Means logarithm to the base a. This comes here, this comes here. So x to the power n, that it gives m into n. M into n, n into m. Both are same. 2 3s are 6. 3 2s are 6. Like that we can write. This is logarithm of x to the power n to the base a, m into n. In this, what we have considered m? M is log x to the base a. N into m we can write. N into m. First we have to write. M is replacing. So that later we are writing. That logarithm of x to the power n to the base a. N into m. N is as it is the value m. What is m? What we have considered? Log x to the base a is as m. So replace this m with again. That log x to the base a. Okay, understood? Logarithm of x to the power something to the base a, that it gives the power is multiplied to the logarithm of that number. This is the result. Power comes front side. Simply, how to remember here? Power comes to the front. See, or another method. Logarithm of x to the power n to the base a. Okay. Okay, example, already we have learned that x into y. Logarithm of x into y, what we have written? Logarithm of x to the base a plus, okay, like this we can write. Okay, logarithm of y to the base a. For two terms product, we are getting two terms. For example, three terms are there. Logarithm of xyz to the base a. How can we write? Log x to the base a, for x to the base a, for y to the base a, for z to the base a. How many terms like that is there? We have to write logarithm of y to the base a plus logarithm of z to the base a. Not only 2, not only 3, more than that. For all multiplication, whenever multiplication is there, for that we have to write as plus. Now, here logarithm of x power n, logarithm of x power n to the base a. How can we write this is as logarithm of x to the x into x into x into x into so on n times. Is it x into x into x into, for example, x into x into x into x 5 times x to the power 5, 7 times x to the power 7, 10 times x to the power 10. Like that, n times is there. Now logarithm is applied. For multiplication, it becomes a plus. Logarithm of x to the base a. For this multiplication, it becomes a plus. Again for this logarithm, logarithm of x to the same base a. For this multiplication, it becomes a plus. Logarithm of x to the base a. For this multiplication, plus logarithm of x to the base a. For all multiplications, it becomes a plus, so on n times. Okay, for all multiplication, it becomes a plus. See how many times? Addition, adding. 5 is added 3 times. 5 plus 5 plus 5. 3 into 5 now. 5 is repeating addition 3 times. Like that, logarithm of x to the base a is a repeating addition. Repeating addition n times. So n into logarithm of x to the base a. Like this we can write. Okay, with the help of these conditions we can do like this. Either this or this. Two ways are there. Anyway, we have to understand orally. Okay, like this we have to. So some more you can write. Different numbers x1, x2, x3, x4, so on. X so on, x1, x2, so on. Like this it will be expanded. Okay, like this.